playing with me. Stop playing with me, Billy B. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. I told him. I ain't gonna lie. Who got no? I know I'm in the bet. I'm not in the bet. You know what? I'm a man of my word, bro. This is your wife now, bro. This is your wife. It is what it is. Hold on. What a drone at? Push for it. Push for it. Oh. This horse out of control, bro. Wait. Whoa. This horse. Yo, this horse out of control. Yo. Hey. Magic. Leg up. I can fly. I can go to the eye. I can go up. You can fly? Yes. I can go up. He can fly. Fly. Stop this, let's do this. Fly. Let's do this. You don't come with me. Let's fly. Let's go. Hold me tight. Fly. Hold me tight. Hit me, guy. Hit me. Bro, fly, bro. Hit me. Fly, bro. Let's do it. Fly, bro. Let's do this. Just fly. Let's go. Just fucking fly. Don't all this bullshit. No, it's no bullshit. Just fly. Let's do this. Hurry up. Damn. Hold me tight. Just fucking fly. No, I'm doing it. Fly, bro. It's time. Fly. No, it's time. Fly, go fly. Let's just win this time, bro. You know I love you so much. Fly. I love you. Fucking fly. Let's do it. Fly there. No, let's do it, bro. Fly. Let's do this. Then do it. Listen, you're gonna be 100.
This is it. It's authentic Ghanaian jollof. The best ever.
Don't worry about it. It doesn't matter.
The best one is here. We got the best one. We got the best one.